എന്താ പറയുന്നത് നിനക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി?
Not only health. Now this another thing also I thought of it. After 5 years or after 10 years, each and every parents are trying no tooth. Are trying no tooth. This the face can the tooth can change the overall face beauty. So many specialties in the dentistry. So many specialties. But we are buying only 10 rupees. Out of government dental colleges, it is 10,000. Thank you.
ഇതുപോലെ ഇനി എത്ര എണ്ണം ഉണ്ട്?
കുറെ എണ്ണുണ്ട്, ഒരു വിവരമില്ല.
Actually, what is politics? I think politics is the art of changing impossible things of today to the possible things of tomorrow.
We have to memorize.
Please take your seat.
I invite wholeheartedly to speak here. Invite Comrade Subhash Really to make a speech here.
Is that your state seems to have done very well. Everything is very well done. So that means you are doing Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Like Prime Minister Modi says.
അല്ല, ഇത് ഞങ്ങള് നാടിന്റെ വികസനത്തിന് വേണ്ടി നിലകൊള്ളുകയാണ്. അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായി പിണറായി വിജയന്റേതായ രീതികളുണ്ട്. അത് ആ നിലയ്ക്കേ കാണേണ്ടതായിട്ട്.
I take my house in my head.
Politics, I think politics is the art of changing impossible things of today to the possible things of tomorrow.